It's not enough just to know how to design, you have to know what problems your designs are solving so you can help your clients the best. So in this video, we're going to talk about 5 different business terms you should know as a UI UX designer so that you can help your clients the best. Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about 5 different business terms you should know as a UI UX designer. But before we get started, make sure to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below. Membership includes all my courses, digital design products, private access to the Facebook group, practice files for my YouTube videos, and so much more. So if you're interested in content like that, once again, make sure to check it out. Link is going to be down in the description below. Return of investment is a metric used to measure the value of your investment. In other words, if your client pays this much money, how much money do they got in return? So in other words, if they invested $10,000 in the project redesign that they paid to you and they got $20,000 back in sale, that's the ROI of 100%. KPI indicator is the key progress indicator towards a goal. It can be number of sales, retained users, error rate, and so much more. So next time when you get a client call, ask them for their KPIs so you can know what to focus on when you start a redesign or a brand new design of this project. User acquisition means getting new users to your website, platform, or mobile app. For website, it can be number of sales, number of email signups, and for mobile, it can be number of installs, for example. So if user acquisition is your client's goal, you should focus most of your time in this design project in order to improve it and in order to understand how can you increase the chances of user acquisition. Engagement is a metric which shows how much your users engage with your product. It is measured by the number of clicks, visits, and time spent inside of your product. When you're measuring engagement, you should always consider your end goal. So for example, if your end goal is the sales and a lot of your users spend time on the page but don't buy, you should mostly focus on how to solve that problem in order for them to buy more. So there's clearly something wrong with the page, so you should focus your design efforts in solving that problem. Retention is the product's ability to retain customers over time. It may be improved by improving UX, customer satisfaction, customer value, and so much more. If customers buy in bulk and then leave soon after, you should always consider conducting user interviews because there is something clearly wrong with the product or with the design. If it is a design, you should learn what it is so that you can solve that problem as quickly as possible, so that you can keep that retention or possibly even increase that retention and stop your users from leaving that product. So there you go, those are my 5 tips. If you have any, leave them down in the comments, and make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because I upload new videos about Adobe Xd, passive income techniques, freelance design, and much more on this channel every single week. So if you're interested in content like that, make sure to subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.